It is November 2010, and this is part already, I think it's part of making a drive video of going to Maple Grove, and the traffic is fucking horrible. My fucking wasn't even paying attention. I ran over the fucking YouTube will take the video without a problem. Oh fuck, I hate going through this shit. Oh god, I hate going through this nightmare. Oh god, I can't fucking stand this kind of shit. Oh, I can't stand going through this nightmare. I mean, everything's going wrong. I fucking can't fucking stand it. I can't fucking stand going through this fucking bullshit. It looks like I'm gonna have a struggle getting my insurance back. They want proofs, maybe even Social Security card. Why the fuck do they need a Social Security card when I've been with them all these years? Oh god, I can't fucking stand going through this shit. I can't stand going through this nightmare. I can't fucking stand it. This is a fucking nightmare. This is a fucking nightmare. I can't fucking stand this. Oh my god, this is fucking horrible, this fucking traffic. Well, I failed to make it to go to work for the lunch break, so I'm gonna have to go to the bank first. Oh my god, I can't fucking stand this. Oh, I can't fucking stand going through this. Oh god, this is a fucking nightmare. This is a total nightmare of shit. I totally can't fucking stand going through this. Oh god, this is a nightmare. Oh god, I hate this. Oh god, I can't fucking stand this fucking traffic. Well, when shit happens, I don't handle it very fucking good. I fucking hate it. Don't even know if I'm going to have health insurance. Oh, I'll still have Medicare, but that won't cover everything. Oh god, I hate this. Oh god, I can't fucking stand this fucking traffic. Passion. Oh fuck, I can't fucking stand this. Oh my god, I can't fucking stand this. Oh, this fucking traffic. The road is just a little bit wet. It's even a little bit of snow on it. The traffic is just fucking bad. This is a fucking nightmare. I can't fucking stand this. On top of all the other nightmares I gotta face. Oh god, I can't stand this fucking shit. God, I can't stand going through this fucking bullshit. Oh god, is this a nightmare? Oh god, this fucking traffic. Oh my god. This is a fucking nightmare. This is a fucking nightmare. Going through this fucking shit. This is a fucking nightmare. I can't fucking stand this shit. God, this is a fucking nightmare. Yeah, Actually, it cuts in the, I don't know, when I'm this upset, I don't even know if the driving video could be thought-provoking. I can't stand it when something goes wrong, and everything seems to be going wrong. God, I can't fucking stand going through this shit. God, I can't fucking stand this. Oh God, I can't fucking stand this shit. I can't stand it when they put me through this fucking bullshit. I can't fucking stand it. Might lose my insurance, so it doesn't look good. They send me all this fucking bullshit and I send proofs. What the fuck? I send them fucking proofs. The fuck is this shit? But now they want more proofs. Oh God, I can't fucking stand this. God, I can't fucking stand this. What are we doing the time? That's only an estimate anyway. Oh my God, this really fucking sucks. On X minutes. If that's pans out, I won't even get the Golden Corral after 5 o'clock. Oh, this fucking traffic. Over N minutes just to whip the... Oh, shit. Unfucking believable. This is unfucking believable to be in this fucking traffic, to go through this fucking nightmare at the worst fucking possible fucking time. Today happens to be one of my routines that are associated with having Asperger's, in which I print up all my records for the weather, and as I was printing them up, and as I was running out of time, and as I was already fucking late, I caught fuck up after 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 fuck up. I printed the first copy, and I still had shit in there from my visit to Portland last year, where I had mountain time from the fucking time zone. When I was in Eastern time, I was in Atlanta. But there's so much to keep track of. And sure enough, the fuck-ups are gonna sneak through. I don't fucking want them to sneak through, but they fucking sneak through anyway. Oh God, this is a fucking nightmare. Oh God, I hate this. That car broke down. Doesn't look like an accident. Must have broke down and either ran out of gas or it broke down. I don't know those two things. Oh God, this is a fucking nightmare. Oh God, I can't fucking stand going through this shit. This really fucking sucks. But I guess even if I left earlier or left when I usually did, I would have failed to make it anyway. Stand this. I can't stand this fucking traffic. Oh God, I can't fucking stand going through this shit. Oh God, this fucking nightmare. Oh God, I can't fucking stand this. Oh God, this fucking traffic. Oh God, this is a nightmare. Oh, this is a fucking nightmare. I can't stand this fucking shit. I don't know if the battery's gonna hold on the camera. Oh, this is a fucking nightmare going through this. This is a fucking nightmare. It's a monumental fucking nightmare of shit. Oh God, I can't fucking stand going through this. God, I can't fucking stand this. I don't know, maybe I'll just wait till tomorrow and go to the bank. Oh God, this fucking sucks. I just do that. Oh God, I hate this with a fucking passion. Oh God, I can't fucking stand going through this shit. Oh God, is this a nightmare? Oh fuck. Oh God, this is a nightmare. This is a fucking nightmare of shit. This is a monumental fucking nightmare of fucking shit. Oh God, I can't fucking stand this. This is a monumental fucking nightmare. I can't fucking stand this. Oh God, I can't fucking stand this. Oh my God. Oh God, do I hate this. This with a fucking passion. Oh God, do I hate this. Oh God, I can't fucking stand going through this. Oh God, this is a fucking nightmare. Oh God, is this a fucking nightmare. Stand this. Oh God, this traffic, I just can't fucking stand it. Oh God, I hate this fucking traffic. Oh God, is this a fucking nightmare? Oh my God, I can't fucking believe this. I got a couple of flakes of snow and I gotta go through all this shit. Ugh, maybe I'm calming down a little bit. I definitely ain't happy about all this shit if I'm gonna lose my health insurance. I mean, it won't be permanent, but I might have to go through a nightmare to get it back. It said proofs. They send the fucking mailman gets theirs. I'm already running late trying to walk out the fucking door. They send this fucking shit at the worst fucking time. Or they send it on, they sent the fucking another letter on Black Friday. Well, I'm completely powerless to do anything about it on Black fucking Friday. They either send it on Black Friday or they send it on fucking Saturday. I can't fucking do a damn fucking thing about it on Saturday except panic and worry about it till the weekend is over. Fucking hate it when they send their bullshit on a fucking Saturday. I really fucking hate it when they do that. I really hate that. I really hate that. I really hate it when they do this shit. God, I hate this. I hate it with a fucking passion going through this shit. Oh, God, do I hate this. I hate going through... Well, this is mine. I'm going to stop this and make a part. Whatever this video, I think it's part 5.